welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, hi, my name is Dominique. Thank you so much for joining. So today's video, I'll be doing a DIY cake smash photo shoot along with attempting to make the smash cake. Keep watching to see the final results of the photo shoot. Also, if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me and my channel so much, and it's free.
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
Just to let you know, this is the first cake I've ever made, and it was a huge fail. It started falling apart while I was frosting it, but I still used it knowing that Jack would smash it anyways. So yeah.
Forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
What I used for the backdrop was a white sheet that I already had and a blue blanket, and then I just added some decorations that I got to make it complete.
Forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Birthday, dear Jack. Happy birthday to you. What is this?
Mess with it.
What do you want me to do with this?
Mess with it. Play with it. Jack, look at me. Jack, Jack, Jack. Look. Play with it.
Eat it.
I need to show how to do it and like put some on this.
There you
There you go. There you go. Yummy. Hi. Put some in your mouth. Put some in your mouth.
Is it good? Is it good? There you go.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!